Hello, my viewer, and hello, my subscriber. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, Hunder Singh, your friend. Today, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to grow your YouTube channel and how to get subscriber and viewer for your channel. These ideas all the YouTubers knows, but they are not revealing or they are not telling you these ideas because they thought that if I told to others, they will grow their channel and will get more subscriber viewer. Because of that thinking, they are not telling you all the important steps of growing your YouTube channel. But me, your friend, will not keep away from you all the important steps and all the important informations of growing a YouTube channel. I am here to help you, so don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you will never miss any one of my videos. The profit will be for you because your YouTube channel will be growing day by day, and day by day your channel subscriber will be getting and the viewers of your video will be getting. So please keep supporting me and always stay tuned with me, close to me. You can ask me anything in the comment section so that I can reply to you in the next video. I hope you understand. And this channel is meant to bring a good knowledge for you how to grow your YouTube channel. So keep supporting me and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you will never miss any one of my videos that I made, that I upload into this channel. This channel is meant for you, and I am going to show you in this channel the knowledge how to grow your YouTube channel and get a subscriber and viewer for your channel. So keep supporting me and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any one of my videos from this channel. So I request you, I hope you will like this video and don't skip this video until and unless you get all the information of growing your channel and getting subscriber and viewer for your channel. Otherwise, if you skip this video, you will miss the important information, the important step of how to grow your YouTube channel. So dear friends, without wasting our time, now let us begin our videos. So here we go. Dear friends, first of all, you have to create a YouTube channel, the channel which you would like to create. And after creating your channel, you will be asked to verify your channel. And after verifying your channel, you are ready to use your channel. And after that, you will be thinking of making a videos, but you don't have any ideas how to make a beautiful videos that will help you grow your channel, help you, and that will help you to get a subscriber and viewer for your channel. So the thing is that we have the problem of how to make a beautiful videos that will be liked by all your viewers and all the subscribers of your channel. This is very simple, my dear. You have to get a good camera, phone, or any camera that is good enough for the cameras or capturing the videos for your YouTube channel. And the thing is that after making a videos, you have to find out the contents. The videos of your contents must be good so that everyone will like it. And if everyone is liked by your video will get more subscriber and viewer automatically. But if your video is not much good, if the video has no quality in it, then by that video you are not going to get any subscribers or viewer from that video. But it's not a problem. But first of all, it is just the first step, so you need not to worry. You will get improvement, you will get the knowledge how to create all. So, and also So as you are subscribing to my channel, you will be getting all the knowledge how to grow a YouTube channel. But today I'm not going to say it all. If I am saying it all, the video length will be long. So today by this I'm going to stop, and if you have any doubt you can comment me so that I can teach you the next video clearly. If you can comment me so that I can bring it to you clarified in my next video. So thank you for watching. Keep supporting, subscribe to my channel so that you will never miss any one of my videos that will help you to grow your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. See you at the next video.